Tired of soggy fries or uneven oil coating in your air fryer? Discover which oil sprayer will level up your kitchen game today. But with so many sprayers on the market, which one truly gives you that fine, even mist without clogging, mess, or waste? In today's countdown, I'll be reviewing the top 5 best oil sprays for air fryers, ranked from 5 to 1. Each pick will get a real user deep dive, how they perform, what really stands out, and where they fall short. Trust me, stick around to find out which sprayer earned the number 1 spot and why it could transform your air frying forever. Number 5. YRRAMATE YM-OS101. Starting our list at number 5 is the YRRAMATE YM-OS101, a 2-in-1 oil sprayer and dispenser that initially caught my attention thanks to its attractive glass body and dual-function promises. The clear glass design looks fantastic on the countertop and allows you to monitor oil levels easily, which I loved given how quickly you can run out when cooking for the family. This model lets you both pour and spray with the push of a button, so it feels like a kitchen multitasker right off the bat. Using the spray feature, the YRRAMATE YM-OS101 does produce a fine, even mist, particularly handy for prepping fries, roasted veggies, or a quick pan for sautéing. The ergonomic handle is quite comfortable, and the bottle itself is lightweight, making it easy to pick up and use single-handedly during a busy cooking session. Portion control is also one of its strengths. The sprayer delivers a measured burst that helps you avoid over-oiling, a real win for healthy air frying. However, the YRRAMATE isn't without quirks. The spray sometimes comes out slightly uneven, occasionally misting to the side rather than directly in front, which becomes noticeable when you're aiming for precise coating on foods. I also observed that after a few uses, oil could build up in the nozzle, causing minor drips or making the trigger sticky. This does require periodic cleaning to maintain optimal performance. The filter at the bottom is a nice touch though, preventing particles from clogging the spray tube and preserving the sprayer's life. Number 4. Misto Brushed Aluminum Oil Sprayer. The Misto Brushed Aluminum Oil Sprayer is one of the best-known names on the market and definitely deserves its popularity, though not without a few caveats. This sleek, pump-action, non-aerosol mister has been a staple in kitchens focusing on healthier cooking. The brushed metal finish is elegant, timeless, and fits effortlessly with modern appliances, which is always a plus visually. One of the things I appreciated immediately about the Misto was its simplicity. Fill halfway, give it a few pumps to pressurize, and you're ready for an ultra-fine oil mist, perfect for air fryer baskets and baking trays. It works well with various oils like olive, avocado, or even peanut, and you can use it for vinegars or citrus, adding to its versatility. And because the bottle is refillable, it's eco-friendly and budget-conscious, helping you skip those disposable aerosol cans. However, after using the Misto over time, a few practical drawbacks popped up. The small capacity means frequent refills, which can be inconvenient if you air fry often. The pumping mechanism requires practice. Under or over pumping affects the spray, and it's all too easy to end up with a squirt instead of a mist. Clogging tends to happen, especially with thicker oils or less frequent cleaning. Regular maintenance, recommended every few weeks, is essential to keep it performing well. There's also a learning curve when figuring out how much pressure to use. Sometimes, I ended up pumping more times than expected and still got uneven coverage. The instructions advise releasing air after every use to maintain consistent misting, which can feel like a chore during back-to-back meals. 3. Tumyig Oil Sprayer for Cooking. At number 3, the Tumyig Oil Sprayer for Cooking delivers the kind of consistent, fine mist that every air fryer enthusiast dreams about. Right out of the box, the first thing you'll notice is its premium-feeling construction, with a glass body and a durable plastic top that offers both longevity and a touch of modern chic to your kitchen. The design is thoughtful, with a long hose that reaches right to the bottom. Translation: you get every last drop of oil, minimizing waste and maximizing efficiency. When using the Tumyig, what stands out is the evenness of the spray. Not a single burst or squirt, just a delicate mist that covers food uniformly. That's a game changer for air fryer recipes, ensuring that fries get perfectly crisp without any soggy spots, and that breaded items don't turn out greasy. The transparent body lets you keep an eye on the oil level, and the pump mechanism feels solid. No flimsy parts or worries about it breaking after a few uses. Cleaning the Tumyig is also refreshingly simple. The head unscrews easily, and a quick rinse with warm water and detergent keeps it performing at its best. While the top is made of plastic, it's designed to last, and the sprayer is robust enough for everyday use without feeling fragile in hand. Another strength is how well it accommodates different oils. I tested it with both olive and peanut oil, and both misted beautifully without any sign of clogging or uneven streams, a trouble spot for many cheaper models. Number 2. Purelite Dispenser Sprayer. Purelite's dispenser sprayer comes in strong at number 2, and it's easy to see why once you put it through its paces. This model excels in what matters most, delivering a consistently fine, even mist, a must-have for achieving that golden air fryer crunch. Its most impressive feature is the continuous spray function, which feels luxurious and effortless. You just hold down the trigger, and a beautiful cloud of oil coats everything evenly, making meal prep so much easier. The sprayer's filter is a clever addition, keeping impurities and solids out and ensuring your oil always mists smoothly. The design is surprisingly stylish with a dark UV protective body, which not only looks good, but also keeps your oil lasting longer by blocking out light that causes spoilage 10. For anyone using pricier extra virgin oils, this is a real benefit. Versatility is also a hallmark of the Purelite sprayer. Whether using olive, avocado, or coconut oil, or even vinegar or lemon juice for marinades and dressings, this sprayer handles it all. The trigger and pump feel sturdy, and the transparent strip on the side makes it easy to check how much oil is left. It's also dishwasher safe, so cleanup takes less than a minute. If there's one nitpick, it's that some users might experience minor inconsistencies in the spray pattern after a few months of heavy use. Also, the continuous spray can go through oil quickly if you're not careful, so keep an eye on portion sizes to avoid refilling too soon. 1. Mistifi FS638. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, the top spot goes to the Mistifi FS638, a standout oil sprayer that truly redefines what's possible for air frying and day-to-day cooking. Immediately, the international patented spray technology sets it apart. This sprayer offers 3 distinct spray modes, letting you tailor the mist or stream to perfectly fit your recipe. Whether you're lightly misting vegetables, coating a roasting pan, or streaming oil onto a salad, the Mistifi adapts with a simple rotation of the nozzle. The Mistifi FS638 is made of durable glass and features a non-aerosol, refillable design that's both environmentally friendly and economical. The bottle feels substantial, but is still comfortable to grip, and the trigger action is remarkably smooth and requires minimal effort, even during marathon cooking sessions. The spray pattern is always fine, consistent, and wide enough to cover large batches, but can be focused for single servings. Cleaning is where Mistifi really wins. The parts come apart easily for thorough washing, and the build quality ensures you won't face leaks or trigger malfunctions. Switching between different types of oil is quick and residue-free. And for those who value healthy cooking, this sprayer truly minimizes oil use without sacrificing flavor or texture. It's never felt easier to eat well and save money at the same time. Even after constant use, performance never wanes. No clogging, no sticking triggers, and absolutely no uneven bursts. It genuinely feels like the Mistifi FS638 was engineered for demanding cooks and busy families alike. Final thought, that's all for today, folks.